Hey everyone, my name is Rachel and I am a full-time seller on the Poshmark app. You can find me at the Scott Cottage on the app. And I'm just doing a really quick video. We have a Christmas party tonight that I am rushing to get everything ready for. And so I'm trying to just throw this together really quick while the kids and my husband are gone for a few minutes. Anywho, I'm doing an unboxing of a thredUP box, and I'm so excited. The reason I'm doing it so quickly is because I'm just so excited to find out what is inside. And I know if I don't do it now, I'm going to open it later and not do the video because I'm so excited. I've done thredUP unboxings a few times, haven't loaded the videos or anything, but I have done quite a few. I have done the denim box, which I actually have as well, which I plan on maybe uploading tomorrow and doing for you. The denim box, just really quick, is 20 pounds of denim for $20 plus shipping, but I had a discount code and I got the shipping for free. So I guess they do that every once in a while, but great opportunity to purchase them if you're unsure about what to get first. The fun box is really fun. I've gotten that twice. I actually ordered another one while I had the free shipping. And so you get accessories, you get 10 items for, it's $18. It used to be $15, but they did go up for $3 more. But I had free shipping on it, so kind of canceled out the price difference. And it's coming later. I think it's coming either tomorrow or Monday. And if you guys would like to see that, I will post a video on that. I've done it twice, like I said, and I have gotten some really cute items that definitely made up for the cost of the box. I live in a smaller town. I live in Knoxville, Tennessee, and sourcing for denim is difficult here. Also bags, I don't know if we just don't get them here or what. I can't really find really nice bags. And then the denim that I do find, the lowest price that I can even find it at is $3 at Goodwill. But the thredUP boxes, you get, it's 20 pounds of denim, like I said, for $20 plus shipping. But I've always gotten like right at 26 items. So that's $1 per item, that I've paid. And I'll tell you, I did get some great brands. I've gotten Madewell consistently. I've gotten J brand, Joe's jeans. I've gotten 7 for All Mankind jeans. I've gotten some really great brands. I mean, there's going to be other brands like Target or Forever 21, things like that in there. But it makes up for it when you get Madewell. I mean, so I'm going to jump into this. I know you guys are just dying to jump into it, and I'm wasting your time. So I have 3 boxes here because sometimes they put denim in 2 boxes instead of one giant box. So I am going to peek in and try to find the one that I'm getting ready to do today. So really quick, the one I'm doing today is the designer handbag, and this is something new that they have never done. I have not found a YouTube video of an unboxing, which is why I wanted to do it so much. So you get 5 items, 3 of which are supposed to be designer premium handbags, and it said that 1 will be either Kate Spade, Michael Kors, what was the third one? Tory Burch, which that would be amazing. Mark by Marc Jacobs or Dooney and Bourke, I think were the 5 that it could be. So I'm really hoping for Tory Burch, Michael Kors, Dooney and Bourke would be okay, and a Kate Spade. I just don't know much about Mark by Marc Jacobs. I really don't know much about any of them. I'm not a big purse person. I have owned one designer purse in my entire life, and that was a Dooney and Bourke back in 2005 when those little round like barrel bags were so popular with the rainbow colored like logos on it. So those are cute. I actually still have it. It's really old looking and faded. So I'm going to jump into this one and just peek and see if this is the proper one. So bear with me really quick. Also, of course, if you see an item that you really like, you can, like I said, find me on Poshmark at the Scott Cottage. Just like it sounds. I'll put a link below for you too. I like to give people good deals, so... Sorry, I'm trying to cover the address. I don't want the entire world to know where I live. I think this might be it. Ooh. Oh, nope, this is the denim. Okay. So I'm going to save that for another video because I'm sure a lot of people are interested in those. I've seen a few of those on YouTube, but I would love to do that one for you as well. Okay. This middle one's got to be it. It actually has some weight to it, guys. I wonder if it happens to say the weight. No, okay. It's heavy, if this is the right one. There's another one that's a really big box and it's pretty heavy. That's got to be the other part of the denim. There's like no way that that's the handbags. But you never know. That would be a nice surprise, right? Okay, I see an invoice, so it has to be handbags. Okay, so here we go. So, I know you want to know how much I paid for it. So, I paid $70 and I had free shipping. Sometimes you have to pay shipping. I don't know why I got the code in my email, but hey, you know, I was going to purchase it anyway, so having a shipping discount. Shipping is normally, I want to say $6.50 or $5.99. It's something like that. So just so you guys can kind of get the full experience, this is what the inside looks. Really cute. They always do really cute packaging. They have a really cute box that has polka dots, and then they usually individually wrap the bags. So we shall see. So of course, first is my invoice. Next, I had this in one of my fun boxes recently. Really cute little stickers that they give you for if you are a reseller to package your items, just to make them personal and special. So there's that. I'm getting kind of hot in here. Woo. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to give you a view of what kind of I'm seeing because I know it's just so exciting. Really pretty tissue paper. Alright, first bag. Oh, I feel like it might be a Dooney and Bourke. I just kind of, the design looks a little bit familiar. But hey, you know, I'm wrong all the time, so let's see. Okay, it's fabric, I will tell you that, with some leather straps. Okay, it is Dooney and Bourke. There we go, little tassel. Wow, this actually looks like it's in perfect condition. Like, okay, here's the bag. This is so cute, guys. Okay, this does not look to be ever worn, ever. I mean, I hope the lighting's okay. Like, there's nothing in here. Nothing at all. Here's the bag. Okay, so the bottoms is usually where you can see some wear. And there isn't really, there is maybe a little bit of dirt or something right in here. The lighting is not great. Okay, that's a little better. Okay. There may be just a smidge of dirt, but look, there's no corners rubbed off or anything like that. This is, I'm assuming, leather. Straps. It has a little tassel. There's some straps here. This is nice. I love it. I love that the inside is this bright pink. That's really cute. Lots of storage. So this is definitely a tote. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is awesome. I really like this bag. Very, very large. I like shoulder bags. So this is great. Okay. I'm pretty excited. That's a great bag. I have no idea, like, if it's old or new. I don't know, but it looks like it's in perfect condition. So, good way to start. I'm so excited. Okay, moving on. I see something leather and black, which is always good. It's very heavy. Leather is easy to clean. So, okay. Ooh, wow, this is cute. This is really cute, guys. This is, it looks like a going out bag or something. No damage that I can see. Here you go. No damage. Okay. So this is Ellie Tahari. And I hope I'm saying that right. I actually have sold quite a few of her items. And she is a pretty expensive designer. There's the logo. But I've never gotten any of her bags. So I really don't know much. But guys, this is nice. Very heavy duty. It's probably real leather for sure. There's the inside. I hope you can kind of see. I don't know. It's very clean. I don't really see anything that stands out. Let's find out if it says China. Okay. I'm not seeing a tag. It's got to be real leather. It definitely feels like real leather. Oh, that's cool where her logo is in here. Has slots for a card. That's really kind of cool for cards. Yeah, I'm just not seeing any, like, it doesn't say. It's definitely got to be real leather. I'm going to go with yes because it's an Ellie Tahari. So there we go. This is adorable. And it's heavy, so that's why I think also it's leather. All right. There's another big bag at the bottom. Leather. It's definitely worn. What is this, guys? What is this? Okay. This, I have no idea. There's definitely some wear on this. It's probably real leather. Bourke. Guys, please don't kill me for not knowing. I have no idea who this is. I told you I'm not a bag person. You know, it's in good condition. It's definitely worn, but it's completely leather. It's very heavy. It's a really pretty color, like a dark red wine. I'm just not sure about this. So please comment below if you have information. I will definitely do my research on this. It is clean on the inside. It's like a purple color, shiny. It has like a key thing. This sucker is huge. I don't know about that. Maybe it's an older vintage bag. There is a little bit of a hole on the inside. But it's on the inside of the zipper pocket, which means it's not going to show at all. So that's good. But like I said, it has two like snap closures. It's a very large bag and it's heavy. Please comment below. I will do my research. I'm hoping it's something nice, but like I said, I don't know what to even comment about it because I don't know anything about it. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's how it closes. You can close it with this. That is very interesting. Okay, like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna have to. It seems like it's very good quality, so that's a plus. All right, so we have two more items. They are wrapped in this, and then that is it. So I'm just gonna move this box, or I'll leave it here so it looks fancy. Now I'm just gonna. Okay, last two items. So far, I mean, I really do like the two bags. Like I said, I'm not sure about the red bag. I might change my mind when I look at comps. I think I see some Coach for sure. So we'll talk about it really quick. So I ordered their Coach Rescue box 2 weeks ago, and I got 5 bags for $90, and it was a great deal. I love all of the bags that are in there. Some of them needed to be cleaned. Some of them have some wear, but they are gorgeous bags, and I loved all 5 of them. I really kind of want to keep all of them, but I can't. All right, this is really nice. Blue wristlet. It looks in pristine condition, and it should say that everything is authentic. Hopefully. No, it doesn't say. So the Coach one did, so that's a little bit bothersome, but surely for $70. Okay. Inside is nice and clean. Has the little, they call it a little key fob here. The front this opens, and there is a pocket. This is actually super cute. I don't know, I may keep this. It's in new condition. Brand new condition. I would say new without tags condition. Alrighty, last one. This is interesting. It's got metallic on the front, and the little black places are almost like fur. Like it's got kind of fur there. That's very cool. Wristlet has a little wristlet here. Let's find out what brand this is, because I am not. That's weird. It doesn't have a brand. Oh, here we go. No, it doesn't say. There is an RN number, and I can look that up. Oh, it's Target. Seriously? Okay. is Target. So it says on the website, premium designer, and Target is not premium designer. So I have heard about this happening sometimes to people, and they will email the company and the company will make it right. So I will definitely be emailing the company because that's not what I paid for. It's not what they advertised. I've never had this really happen before, and I do like the stuff that I got. But when I'm paying for premium, this is not premium. It's nice. I mean, it's probably, you know, a good, I mean, it's great. It's great quality, but it's Target. Like, non-leather. It's not even real leather. So this is definitely not premium. So I will be emailing them. Hopefully they will make it right and send me something else. But that's very frustrating. I'm not going to lie. I've never had an issue with thredUP before. And I do, like I said, I like the other stuff, but that's an issue. So I will follow up with this video and I will let you know what they say and maybe what they send me. I have heard that they will send you something to make up for it. And I'm hoping in the next video I can let you know what this red bag is because, like I said, I don't know anything about it and I am extremely happy with those items. So yes, follow-up video. Do I think it was worth it? I'll let you know because I have to look up the comps. But I would say so. I think that the Ellie Tahari will probably do well, and the Dooney and Bourke will because it's in pristine condition. Along with this is perfect condition, but it is small, so I would say it'll probably go for maybe 25 or 30. Don't quote me because I don't have to do the research on it. But anywho, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave comments below if you can help me with the red bag or if you just want to send feedback. I love feedback, whether it's negative or positive, because it's a learning experience for me. I'm new at doing this. I have never once done a YouTube video and posted it. I've done many trial and error ones and things just didn't work out properly. I have kids, so they like to come in the video sometimes. But anywho, comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.